Hi friends, Sandhya Aluwale this side, coming to you after a long time. First of all, I would like to say that please get yourself vaccinated if you fall in that group. Please take care, wear your masks, wear your, all the required details which is asked by the government to take care of yourself, social distancing, and also keep washing your hands. And since I'm sitting alone in the room, so I've taken off my mask, but I always make it a point that I'm always wearing a mask whenever I am outside the house. So friends, starting with it, um, communication is something which has been very close to my heart, and I always thought that it's very important to have a very good communication with your peer group, with everybody around you, so that you can develop a one-to-one relationship. So I have been writing. So friends, in continuation to that, I wanted to discuss about the employee engagement, which I feel is so important. When I talk about communication, communication is a two-way process, and it's always related to an engagement between two people or a number of people surrounding you, or you being surrounded by somebody. So in that case, I felt it very important because there are a lot of companies and there are a lot of organizations which are facing this particular heat of retention, and they're asking people to leave, and so that is causing a lot of anxiety. And the limited workforce which remains with them is so overloaded with work that they tend to feel very frustrated, and then they think that how to go about it. So it's a very big challenge for the organization, of the employer and the employee both. So taking into consideration, I plan to start with a series of employee engagement. Why is it important? Who are the critical players in that, and who would benefit out of it? What are the drivers of engagement, and what helps? And it's not going to be very technical. It is just going to be something which is going to impact everybody, one and all, giving an overview of things, and if required, I can always be there for the assistance. Companies are not able, because of the financial crisis and the economic meltdown, companies these days are not focusing too much into recruiting employees. Instead, they are asking employees to do. So one employee is being made to do a job of 2 to 3 responsibilities to be held up. So that is causing so much of problems and anxiety. So the emotional well-being of the employee and his family is also getting impacted, because if I believe in one thing, that if you are happy, you can spread happiness. If you are unhappy, you cannot spread happiness. So it's very important that you have to be happy from inside, to give the better to the organization, to improve the productivity of the organization.